What is the reciprocal of 3 and 7/8? When we say reciprocal, it is the inverse of a value or a number. Since we are given here a mixed fraction 3/7/8, we need to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay, to get the reciprocal of a number or a fraction, you just have to flip the number. Say for example, you're given 2, the reciprocal of that is 1/2. Or if you're given 3/4, the reciprocal of that is 4/3. Now we're given 3/7/8. We have to convert 3 and 7/8 into improper fraction. So this would be 8 times 3 plus 7. So 3 and 7/8 is just equivalent to 31/8. And the reciprocal of 31/8 is just the inverse of 31/8. So that would be 8/31. So the answer here is letter B. "35% of what number is equal to 14? So we don't know the number. We can let x be the number. And then we can write this into a mathematical equation. 35% of x is equal to 14. And we can write 35% as 35/100 times x equals 14. And then 35/100 is just 0.35 times x equals 14. And we divide both sides by 0.35. And this cancels out, so the value of x is just equal to 14/0.35, or x is just equal to 40. So the answer here is letter B. What is the decimal form of -1 and 1/3 rounded to the nearest hundredth? Since we're given here a mixed fraction of -1 and 1/3, which is just equivalent to a whole number, which is -1, plus the fraction 1/3. This is negative of 1 plus 1/3. So we can convert 1/3 into a decimal by dividing 1 by 3. So 1 divided by 3 is just equal to 0.333. And it says here round to the nearest hundredth. When we say nearest hundredth, it will be 2 decimal places. So this is just approximately equal to 0.33. Therefore, -1 and 1/3 is just equal to -1 plus 0.33, or just equal to -1.33. So the answer here is letter B. Which of these sets of angles would make an isosceles triangle? An isosceles triangle has 2 equal sides and 2 equal angles. And from the choices given here, we only have letter A that has 2 equal angles. Oh, there's also letter D. And the measure of the angles in a triangle must equal to 180. And among the choices A and D here, A is more than or greater than 180 degrees, whereas letter D is just equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, the answer is letter D. What is another way to write 3 square root of 12? Okay, 12 here can be written as 4 times 12. So 3 square root of 12 is just equal to 3 square root of 4 times 3. And 4 is a perfect square and can be written as 2 squared times 3. And square root of, okay, we can write this as 3 square root of 2 squared times square root of 3. Then square root of 2 squared is just 2. And times square root of 3. So this is just equal to 6 square root of 3. So the answer is letter B. What is another way to write 3 to the 4th? So we're given here 3 to the 4th or 3 raised to the power of 4. That means we multiply 3 to itself 4 times. So this would be 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. And this is just equal to 81. So the answer is letter D.